Hello viewers, WhatsApp recently launching new feature in WhatsApp video call, record video note. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove it. So let's see how to do it. First of all, long press on Instagram apps. Now click on app info or I button. Scroll down. Click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache. Go back. Now click on force stop. Click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Open WhatsApp. Now open conversation and see record video note option removed. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.